Just want to show you something real quick here. The video I made yesterday on my Peekay music channel to show my new channel, Peekay Fuck Off. Just want to play it from 2 minutes 10 seconds in. If you do a search for Peekay Fuck Off. Alright. So we do a search for Peekay Fuck Off, and amazingly my new channel, even though there's only one video there, called Peekay, it appears. But what happens now, 24 hours later, when you type in Peter Fuck Off, is it the same? Oh! There's no reference to my channel whatsoever. They don't want anyone to go to my new channel. All it is my Peekay music video and no identified, so kindly made a video to subscribe to me. So good old fucking YouTube.
Subscribe, people.
They don't miss a beat, do they? Oh, it's got my video there, Peekay Fuck Off, movie star. But it should have come up with my channel. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that.